Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm doing a review of this BSN No-Xplode VASO. We're gonna do a review, taste test, mixability, and highlight some of the ingredients in this quick video. Let's get into it. So this just happens to be the Razzle Dazzle flavor. Now this company, BSN, long time, been in the game of supplements for a very, very long time. So there's some clout that comes with that. This is an extension of their normal No-Xplode brand. This is the VASO, and so the ingredients in this are a little bit different. They say this is the ultimate pump pre-workout. We shall see. It does have, from a stimulant standpoint, just some highlights, some things, 300 milligrams of the old caffeine. It does have yohimbe extract at 37 milligrams, and then little club moss. I have no idea what that is. I don't even care. But it does have 25 milligrams of that. From an endurance standpoint, if you're cycling or taking any kind of creatine, this I guess could be extra, or you could minimize what else you're taking. But it does have creatine monohydrate 3 grams, beta-alanine 3.2 grams. This is very subjective, just giving you the facts. And then from a pump blend, it has a whole list of stuff that L-citrulline, creatine nitrate, hydrolyzed casein, transresveratrol, couldn't even tell you. And then some other ingredients in there as well, like vitamin C and some other things that you typically would see in a pre-workout. This one is a 24. They come in, I guess, a variety of different sizes. 24 container jug. It looks like a very, 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 very fine powder. Looks like that. And from a mixability standpoint, this is always important because who wants to have clumpy supplements? You can see there, it's slowly starting to, and then it kind of falls to the bottom. But who doesn't have this in a shaker or a stir? A little best practice, it's always good to have your water in first, then mix, versus putting the powder in and then putting water in. It just is not gonna mix as good. But you can see there, this is the blue Razzle Dazzle. But you can see there, it's got pretty good dense color to it. This is probably 16 ounces of the old H2O. And from a taste standpoint, tastes good, but I don't really care. So this is very subjective, to each their own. To me, unless it's something I just can't get down, I really don't care. I'm talking like, it's gotta be like bad, really bad for me to be like, I can't even finish this jug. This is not gonna happen for me. But it does have a nice flavor, and I think there are a variety of different flavors that come with this. From a what you're gonna experience in the old gym and all that stuff. Let's see what happens. I'll get right back to you. All right, post-gym review. Depending on your stim tolerance and what you normally take for pre-workouts, it's gonna be very subjective. If you're the type of person that needs sort of something extra, something to get you going, you know, the old coffee's not doing it for you. And most importantly, from a stimulant standpoint, yes, it's going to get you right. It's going to get your mind focused. You're going to be focused on you know, what you're there to do in the gym. But most importantly, if you're looking for that extra quote unquote pump to get the blood flowing and getting the I would say the best use out of your work. I can't even talk. I'm pretty wired right now. If you're trying to get like the best you know, overall quote unquote pump workout, I don't think you can go wrong. BSN is a long-standing, clout-driven brand, and this product I've been wanting to try for a very long time. Glad to do so. Hopefully this review answered any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.